Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can scan to log into your Binance account. Keep watching the video till the end. To scan to log into your Binance account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Binance application. The home page of Binance application will appear on the screen. Click on Sign Up Login option at the top left corner of the page. But if you want to log into your Binance account by scanning, click on Scan icon at the top right corner of the page. Place the QR code within the frame to scan, or else you can also upload the QR code as well. Once you do so, you'll be able to log into your Binance account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.